Hello viewers, welcome all of you in Tanvir Tech World. I'm with you, Tanvir. In this tutorial, I will show how could you convert your YouTube theme into dark theme. It's really simple. So without further ado, let's begin. To do this, at first we have to open YouTube. As you can say, I have already opened my YouTube. Then you have to click on the user icon there. After that, you can find an option as dark theme, which is currently off. Then click on this option and turn on the button. That's it. Our YouTube theme is currently converted into dark theme. And I guess it's look pretty cool. I hope you understand what I am meant to say. I guess you enjoy this video. If you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe this channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon also. Because from today I will start uploading videos in my channel regularly. You are also invited to watch my next videos. So till then, stay happy, stay good. Goodbye. Tata.